Hey guys, it's Andre, and today I'm going to do a little flip through type walkthrough of my character binder. I've had so many requests to do this, and I wanted to do like a tutorial, but honestly it's like so easy. I'm just going to explain how to do it and show you guys the products I used. But I'll do that first, and then if you guys want to see like an actual walkthrough, or maybe I'll show you the walkthrough first so you can kind of see like what I'm doing here. So this is it's like not a wide, but it's like a compact Foxy Fix in the B6 size. I could really probably use a wide just for a little bit of extra wiggle room, but I mean, this is working and I don't really see the need to purchase another Foxy Fix at the moment. Whenever I would just be like buying one and then selling this one because I probably wouldn't use this. But this, I don't even know like the details on this guy. I think it was one of the first ones I bought. That was a B6, but she's fat now and I am pretty much at capacity. So how I used to organize my character stickers were in little accordions. This, for example, was my Once More With Love one. I would put a decal or a sticker with one of their characters on the front, and these are from Target. So this might be something that you might be interested in, or if you have a smaller collection, this might be a little bit easier too. So in here, I would do little labels, and there's different categories. If you want to pause this and look at the categories I had, they really worked for me. Me time was the only one that I feel like I probably could have did like subcategories, but for probably like a year and a half, 2 years, this is how I organize my stickers. It really worked for me. If I wanted something that was work related, I would just pull it out or fumble through it and pull one out. And I would go to the specific character I wanted. And then there was a random and an other. Other was usually freebies, and then random was just things that didn't fit into categories. Or for Once More With Love, it was like the little books she made were in the other category. But I really liked the way that this worked for me. But I was really looking for a new storage system because I had like, this was like bulging. This was like this big, and I had like 6 of these, I think, or 5 of these with all my different characters, and then I had one that was like a random characters assortment pack type thing, and it just really wasn't working for me because I found that I was forgetting about stickers I had because I wasn't going to that character for that specific sticker all the time. So I wanted to do a like a sticker binder, and I don't know if sticker binder is the right word, but I wanted to use like a photo album, but the photo albums I just personally am not a big fan of. I'm storing all of my seasonal items in this one from Once More With Love, or I think Happy Scrappy, it was like a collab or something. I have all of my, like, I have Christmas and then Halloween, and like whenever it's like around that time, I pull these out and put them in my Muji. So then I would pull out Christmas, put it in there, and then Christmas is over, I stuff it back in here, which I think really works for the like holiday specific ones, just because I want to keep these organized by holiday, but I don't have room in here and I don't look for them often. So I don't know, I think people may have done this before. I don't know if they've done this the exact way. I know a lot of people have taken the albums and put them in here, like those like the cheaper ones. But I don't know if anybody has like used acetate and put like stickers on it before. So, I mean, I haven't seen anyone do it, but I was just kind of like using the albums, and then I was like, oh, like I'll laminate, like just laminate a lamination sheet and then cut it. And then I was like, wait, I have acetate. So you can look up on Amazon like and get acetate, like I'll just link the cheapest one down below because I mean, you're not printing on it, you don't need like fancy acetate. But I'll just link the cheapest one down below from Amazon, and you just buy that, and then you have to buy these press-on vinyl envelopes. I got the 4x4 ones, which fit perfectly. These are by Uline. They do have the little Uline logo on them. I'm not sure if anyone cares. And you have to buy them in bulk. I think you buy them in cartons of 50. So I don't know exactly how many I use. I feel like I used maybe 30 of them. But I mean, then you can use these if you have a B6 as just like regular pockets. I know a lot of people use the Target ones are cheaper because I think it's like $3 for 20 of them. I don't know if actually, I don't even, maybe the Target ones work. Hold on, let me see. I can tell you that these are like a lot more heavy duty. No, so the Target ones didn't work for some stickers. Let me show you guys. I don't think. I think this was the problem. Yeah. So these are smaller. These are, let me measure these. I mean, if you have just like, I'll show you what sheets these work for and what sheets the other ones work for. So this will be a little longer than I thought it would be. So these are a little bit bigger than 3.5 by 3.5-ish. And then the other ones are 4 by 4. So if it depends on what's in your collection. So let me check out my laptop stickers. So if you just have, I don't even know if, I think mine will fit in there. If you just have like Scribble Prints Co stickers, these are $3 Thursday ones. Also, like I just think they're like, there's not as much wiggle room. So this is like a $3 Thursday sheet. This is a character sheet. The character sheets are a lot easier to get in. But if you have, I don't think Coffee Monsters Co. Coffee Monsters Co. is a tight squeeze. Once More with Love, I don't think fits. No, you'd have to like curl the sheet. And Fox Egg Cactus, I know doesn't fit. No, it doesn't fit at all. Another shop that I've had trouble with fitting anywhere is Twinkle Unicorn, so I usually just like cut them. And then my hope is to like use up this little sheet and then just have this one left. But these won't fit in there. This is a Tickled Pink Planning. I think this will fit. Yeah, this fits. But I feel like also like this is hard to like get in. I feel like mine aren't that like hard to get in. I think it's because mine are a thicker plastic. But I mean, if you just have like my stickers and like anything that size, I feel like these are a little bit of a tight squeeze. Then you could use these. But I would just save those and just buy these, if you, the Uline ones, if you want to do this, just because it's a lot easier. As you can see, they are thicker. They're a vinyl. I don't know if the other ones are like what they are, but these are like vinyl and thicker. So I can just go ahead and put all of them flat and slide them in, and you can see like there's no struggle getting them in. I do notice that on some categories, there's a little, like this will end up like ripping and like kind of going down, which would be the same with any vinyl pocket, but you do have a bunch of them. I don't remember the pricing on these, but I will put the link down below. So I have a vinyl pocket in the front here, and I put all my samplers in here, which I'm trying to find a better way to organize these because I don't know like what I have as far as like categories go. So I have an idea, and then once I figure that out, I'll let you know. But I think this is a great place to put samplers, is in the little front area. And sometimes I just kind of go through these and like look at them just to kind of remember what's in here. I do want to make little labels to put on here of like cut out words. Maybe I'll foil them just to make them like extra pretty, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet because sometimes I don't remember exactly where everything is in here. So I'll just show you guys my categories and how I have them in here. So the front, I have laptops. I kind of have them in like order of like how I'd use them. So I have anything that has to do with a laptop in the front. Then I have working ones, so anything that is work that isn't have to do with a laptop, and then drawing ones, so anything that is work that has to do with drawing. Then I have these camera ones and YouTube ones. These would be like filming stickers. And then I have like mom ones. These are like happy mama ones, like whether they're napping or with the baby, mom life, anything like that. Then I have the sad mom ones, or like annoyed or like frustrated mom ones. Then I have family ones, so grandparents, dogs, things like that. Then I have anything that has to do with TVs or movies. I have kind of like me time, like where it's like sleeping or just I love me or anything like that in there. And here I have planning stuff, which is probably one of the ones, I do have I think some empty ones. One of the ones I could probably split into multiples, but I don't think I'm quite there yet. But this is anything to do with the activity of planning. These are kind of like pampering, so nail polish, hair, makeup, anything like that. This is one of the ones that is kind of like splitting a little, but it doesn't really affect me until it's like I think pretty far down. Then I have kind of like a girls, like friends type thing. So there's like girls night out, girls shopping, game night, things like that. So like friends more. Then I have this one here, which this is actually in the wrong category. These should be in the planner one. That's why I need to label them. So this is like Happy Meal, shopping, stuff like that. One of them that I could probably split into 2 categories, but I'm just keeping it in here until I get used to this a little bit more. Then I have love, so marriage, me and Nick, any type of like couple stickers are in here. And then food, which is something that I need to organize because I want to have 2 sides of food. A bunch of people suggested doing, no, I think it was like one person that everyone's like, yeah, it's a good idea. Salty and sweet, which is a good idea. I have a bunch, probably the most food stickers. So I really want to go through those and pare those down a little bit more and kind of like, split them up to like a logical separation. That's kind of also why I haven't done the labels, is because I want to make sure that what I'm doing is what I'm going to do. Also, some other things I want to note real quick is these are pretty easy to take on and off, and they don't leave a sticky residue on there. I mean, no, like they'll leave a little bit of stick in certain areas, but they're not that bad. But you can totally like take these off pretty easily. So if like they rip, or if you want to move them around, honestly, I would just take them out and put them in a different one. And then also, I don't keep doubles in here. I have about this many doubles of things, or like, and I put them in like a drawer somewhere. And then let's say I run out of this one, before I reorder, I'll go check that stack. Another thing I wanted to mention is I did kind of like, I do this with makeup too, is I kind of pre-declutter, which is something that if like you don't like decluttering because you have like FOMO or like regrets, I would try like pre-decluttering. I don't know if this is a thing either, it's something I do, but what I'll do is I'll declutter something and then I'll put it away for like 3 months, and then if I don't touch it, I will then declutter it. I'm probably sure there's probably a different term for it, but that's what I did with stickers too. Well, these stickers, I have like a declutter pile, which is like, I throw stuff and I don't care about it. But the character stickers, I feel like I have a little bit more, character stickers and foil stickers, I have more of a connection with. So I didn't want to declutter them just yet. So there's some that are also in a pile, like maybe this big, of like pre-declutter stickers. So then I also have chores, which chores are kind of like, I don't know, they're like tasks, I guess. I used to call them chores because I would just have like washing dishes, cleaning, making the bed, laundry. But I also have like doctor's appointments in here because I don't want like a whole category just for doctor's appointments. So it's like chores and like tasks, like things I have to do. Then I have a workout section and a birthday section. And this I could also kind of pull for like celebrating, but these are like mostly birthday. And then on the back I have, these are kind of like sad type items, I guess. I don't know why this one's in here. But these are like sad. Oh, no. These are emotions. So I have emotions and then I have emotis. So these are all like sick, WTF, love, fangirl. Some of these, like I do have doubles in here. It's just I haven't gone through them fully yet. Tired, no, arg, anxious, like little pajama ones. These are kind of like emotions. And then I have like emoji heads, or like little emoji type stickers in one, because those are very loved. I just got the sheet recently and I've used like a third of it. And then I have movie related stickers. So, you know, you have your Harry Potter, some Disney ones, Star Wars, Disney princesses, and then some of these are like Halloween ones, but they have a lot of movie, like I would reach for them because they're movie related, and like Harry Potter, mostly Harry Potter, let's be real here. Then I have seasons. So these season ones could probably go into my season area, but I just haven't done that yet. I'll put those away so I can do that. And as you can see, I do have, maybe I don't have as many. I used to have a bunch, but I only have one of these. So I could kind of like space out. And I also only have one organizer on here. And I'll show you guys how to make an organizer in a second. But I have two on every other one. So I have room, technically, like it's bulging. But I have room to put one more organizer on here to like round it out to have two on each. Then I have, so I have a blank one. And then I have bows. So these aren't character stickers, but I have a functional binder, but I don't think bows really belong there. So I do have like a bow section. Oh my goodness. Jessica texted me. Okay. Then I have a travel section. So these are Disney stickers and specific location stickers. Mostly Disney stickers and like beach, New Orleans, however you say it. Then I have these like two dance stickers. Oh, this is the other one. Like I just have two sheets in here, but I don't really know where to put these. These are just like ballet. I don't really know why I even have them, but I thought they were cute. Then I have some pool/swimming stickers, which is another thing that like I don't really need a whole category for, but I just put them in there. And last but not least, I have samplers. So these are all just Scribbler samplers right now because I don't think I have any other samplers by anybody else, like character samplers. Then in the back, I just have some random things. I have Kirsten and Jessica's PR samplers, and also the most recent $75 plus sampler, which I kind of make those like mine. Like I don't have a PR sampler, but I designed the $75 one the way that I like the colors I like and things like that. Then I do have 2 of the pastel packs. This is like pack 1 and pack 2. And then I also have a half box special book by Once More with Love. I have other books by Coffee Monsters Co. and Once More with Love, but they're all like holiday related. So that is my character binder. She's big. She's like, I mean, actually, I think she's probably like 5 inches. 4 inches. She is hefty. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the 2 products. Well, you need to be 6, but you can probably use other things, I guess, but this is what works. Or you can even, maybe even use a binder. I don't know, but this is how I use it. So what I do is I take the acetate, which is just like a clear plastic paper, and I cut it down to 10 by 7. I personally also like rounding the corners just because acetate is like plastic, so it is sharp. So rounding the corners does like make it a little bit less painful to go searching through for character stickers. I go ahead and pre-fold them. You can fold them just with your hand, but honestly, if you have a bone folder or a ruler, it just is a little bit like easier / more crisp of a fold. Otherwise, it's like kind of like flangy. Then all you do is you grab one of your Uline Pockets, which I'm just going to make this one to round out the one that I'm missing. And these are thick. These are like quality. I think they use them for like packing labels, and I just like center them on the bottom. Whenever Jessica was over and looking at it, she was like, I think it kind of bothers me that they're not centered to the page. But there are some stickers, I think like some Fox and Pip stickers are like taller. I know I want to order, whenever she like reformats them, some of Kiki's stickers, and they are taller. Well, her old format was taller. I don't know like what her plans are for her new one. But I don't want to like make it so that I'm limited to only like short stickers. So I put them on the bottom. Also, I was gonna put labels on the top, but the same thing, if I have ones that cover that, that's gonna be annoying. So I might as well, so use 4 of these pockets. How many did I use? See, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. And you can totally use these. Like if you have a B6, you can use them as like pockets on here. And they have a ton of different sizes. So let's say like you're like, oh, I just need some like pockets, but I don't want to like buy the ones from Fox Fix. I don't know how that works as far as pricing goes. Or like they have different ones. They have like all different sizes. I would check Uline. They're called press on vinyl envelopes, so I'm gonna leave them linked down below. So that's it. That's literally how simple it is, and you have your own little sticker storage. You can totally do this with like icons or whatever. I think they might even make bigger ones too. So then I just go ahead to the one that only has the 1, and then you can either go through the middle, but that seems like a pain. So I'm just gonna go ahead and that's it. That is literally how you make this guy. This is probably the thing I got the most questions about, especially because I pull it out a lot during Plan With Me's. And it's just honestly for me, and I know for a lot of people have said the same thing, it's so much easier to do this than to pull out each character and try and like find them. So like let's say I have my Plan With Me and I'm like, I want a laptop sticker. I just go here, I pull it out, I fan it. Or if I'm like just being quick and just like whatever, I just go, yeah, I'll use this, and I'll just pull this out and use it up. So that is everything. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I will link everything that I used down below. There are definitely, if you don't want to buy a Foxy Fix for this because it is kind of expensive, you could find a lot of different B6 notebooks on Etsy. I would just make sure that the spine is kind of bigger and that I feel like my elastic's getting a little worn, but I can always replace that. But yeah, so that's an option. And also the Target accordions have done me great pleasure in the year, but I really think that this is working for me right now, and a lot of you guys wanted to see how I made it, and I think aesthetically it's not the most prettiest thing in the world, but I do think it's really satisfying to know that like all of my stickers are organized and it's in this like fun way. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.